Today on Ice Bear Does Stuff, we're back at Forest Hill and I tell you about some of my birthday presents I got, including the Garmin Inreach. Happy Labor Day! Or actually, when you see this, probably, I hope you had a good Labor Day. I'm back here at Forest Hill. Got my foot peg fixed, put some blue Loctite on it this time. And just enjoying the beautiful, beautiful weather we're having out here. I'm out here on Trail 4 and just enjoying my Labor Day. Figure it's that time to give you an update. But before I give you the update, I just wanted to give a huge, huge, humble and graceful thank you for those anonymous supporters on they donated to my coffee, bought me a couple coffees so I can continue making some of these videos. It does take a lot of my time and energy, and I run on caffeine, and I don't like to beg for money, but if you'd like to buy me some caffeine, there's a coffee link down below. And I'm just grateful for those of you who thought my content's worth buying me a coffee. Last time you saw me, I was out here, my foot peg tried to fall off, and I told you about my stator problems on my Weestrum. And glad to let you know that I fixed it, found it, fixed the stator, did that over the actually, yesterday, the day before Labor Day, got the parts finally and took it apart. I have a charging system again. Oh, side by sides. That takes a ton of trail. Haven't seen a side by side. I happen to have my bike back. Also, last week was my birthday on August 26th. Had a good birthday. Spent most of it relaxing and went to my parents' house. I can't believe I just turned 31, man. I don't feel 31. I feel great, actually. But good birthday. Grilled me up some steak. For those who don't know, I'm on the keto diet. I'll probably make a video about that later. But they gave me a present. Two really awesome presents. The first present that I got was back in high school. I actually raced some hare scrambles for District 36. I had a Honda hat with the Roadrunner on it, and I put all my finishing pins on it. Well, I hadn't found it. I guess my mom found it when she was cleaning up, and she took the time to frame it for me and put it in a shadow box. A pretty cool little trophy of my old hat with all my finishing pins on it. And it's kind of a motivation because I'd really like to race again. I've been actually working on my fitness. For those who don't know, I've lost about 60 pounds and starting to run and everything again. And I'll probably make a video dedicated to that. Probably be the next video, so keep an eye out on that. So, pretty stoked. I'll post a little picture here, post a little shadow box for you so you can see it. I mean, something like that. I mean, it's a cool gift, better than a gift card to Starbucks or something, you know. Then the second gift I got is I got a Garmin Inreach. For those who don't know what that is, it's a two-way satellite messenger with a SOS beacon on it. So if I'm out here in Forest Hill and I fall off a cliff, I can pull that out and hit the SOS button, and in theory, the SAR group, the search and rescue group, will come and save my butt and hopefully save my life. Or if I come across someone else that needs urgent care, I can take care of them too. And you know, it does have a subscription that goes with it to work. There are PLBs out there where you don't need a subscription or anything for it to work. You just buy it. There's PLBs out there that you just push the button and you register it and they come save you. They're about like $250, but that's all they do. Just come as SOSP is very common on boats and whatnot. But the one I got is actually a two-way messenger too, so I'm out here and I don't have an emergency, I could actually communicate to someone and go, hey, it's not an emergency, go and push my SOS button. I just broke my chain and I'm 30 miles from the truck. Can you come give me a tow? So, something like that's really nice. Also, you can use it for other stupid stuff like tracking and posting to Facebook and, you know, important things like Facebook and Twitter. But mainly, I like it for the safety, and it's just an added benefit that, you know, I know my dad's coming out to meet me camping and I'm out of ice. I can tell him, hey, bring me ice. Might be worth 50 cents to tell him that. Once I get down here, I'll show it to you so you guys can see what it looks like. Maybe when I get to the top of this, actually. There's a good spot. I'll show you here. Oh, actually, I like it up there, but we're not blocking it. Whole trail to show you something. There we go. Let me show you this thing. I keep it in my flight jacket, but here it is. It fits in my flight jacket. It has a little carabiner and you hang it. I actually have a strap coming so I could just strap it. But a pretty cool thing. You probably can't see the screen or anything, but tracking, I could send preset messages for free. I have 3 of them. So things like, hey, I'm here, I'm okay, and I'm delayed, or I'm at my truck, leaving my truck. That way I could send a free message without, I only get 40 messages and then it's 50 cents after that. And then I get free 10-minute tracking. So if you have my map, you can see where I am every 10 minutes. I mean, it's a pretty cool thing. There's the SOS button. This pops out and then you push the button and the helicopters come and save you. So it was a really nice gift from my parents. Very thoughtful, and it's like one of those things that you hope you never have to use. Like an umbrella, you hope it never rains, but bring you anyways. If I do have to use it, it'd be worth every single cent to use it. And it's something you guys should really consider, especially since I've been riding alone more often. You should never ride alone, but if you are, like I am, being stupid, something like that's nice. Just don't use that excuse to be stupid. You know, you're out riding by yourself, you shouldn't be really pushing yourself too hard so you get yourself in trouble. You have to push that button. But things happen. I mean, I'm really grateful. And other new things in my life, if I sound different or this video looks different, you're not crazy. I don't know how it's going to look or sound yet. Hopefully it's working and I'm not going to lose all this, but I found myself I think I missed the trail down there. See the side mark there. Sorry, losing my thought while I'm talking to you. Looks like trail fork this way. Some people camping up here. I guess got myself a GoPro session. They've upgraded. I've been using an old GoPro Hero, the cheapy camera. Ah, got a shooting range. Definitely a lot of spent shells here. Got myself a bit lost. That was a lot of shiny brass. Anyways, sorry about that. Got myself a GoPro session off eBay for 50 bucks. And it should be an upgrade from what I've been using. I was using the old GoPro Hero, not the new fancy one, but the old one. And I didn't have any settings for like the pro tuning like you do on the newer cameras, and no way to see how it looks. But this one, I can connect to my smartphone, I can see what it looks like, and I can change some of the settings. So played with it. Hopefully this looks a little bit better than some of my other videos, and hopefully the mic works as good, because I'm not using a separate mic. I'm just talking right into the GoPro. So we'll see how it works out. Well, this is Trail for ForestHill. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for listening to me babble once again. I hope you all had a great Labor Day, and I hope you're looking forward to the weather cooling off in fall. This is Ice Bear doing stuff. Have a good day. Today on Ice Bear, we're in a gear too high and we stall it out on that stupid rock.